All right, so let's take a look at if you were going to start treating people, paying clients I'm talking about, or you have a spa already or a clinic or a room and you treat people. I just want to go through a few of the pitfalls where people make mistakes. And now you could give, like, let's say you've done the course and you've got your techniques down, you're ready to rock and roll. But if you mess up the environment, the room, then by doing these simple mistakes, the person won't enjoy the treatment at all. For example, let's just talk about scents, perfumes, aromas, these sorts of things. Now, you might, like, let's say incense, for example. You might love incense, but the person you're treating might just smell like awful smoke to them. So you really want to just keep all of everything that I'm going to talk about, you want to keep it all on the kind of the down low. So even essential oils, if you're going to burn them in a diffuser, you want to keep them, everything should be in the background, okay? Nothing overpowering. I would not wear perfume or colognes because one person might love it. I'm actually very sensitive to certain perfumes, which just give me a headache. So I would not, if let's say you had a perfume on, for example, that I didn't like, that would just overpower me. I'd have a headache, and the treatment you'd be working your best, and all I can focus on is the headache that the perfume's given me. All right, so and that even goes with some people like to put on, myself included, back in the day, I love sandalwood, and I'd put a couple of drops of sandalwood on it. But that next person might not like sandalwood, and it might be off-putting.